No, how did you do this?
Oh,
That's
like just
crazy.
the motion.
You literally.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That was like my
On
first
fucking
shot.
That's
Insta?
fucking cool.
My first shot.
Yo, look at that. It's
That's
mad.
nice. Yo, which camera is this?
It's mad. This little.
I wanted
a
the
Fuji.
11, but you can't customize the exposure.
Just reach.
Yeah, it's cool.
Body outside.
It's fully worth it.
How much you got it for?
Bro, I got that used. Oh no, I got it open box for $39.
Amazon?
No, eBay. Dog, why is he always doing this?
Alright, go outside. Turn this around.
Like everything brand new in there.
Okay guys, so outside is me. Oh, these flip around somewhere. Oh, I have 11% on the battery. I go think some have like 6 Sony watches, I swear. Alright, so where are we
You
going?
guys carried your chargers, right?
No, oh.
Overnight.
You know, up to now we can't pronounce the name?
None such faults.
What kind of name that? None such fault.
Wait,
Did that exist?
it's an actual name?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the name.
I thought that you were just fucking around.
No, no, that's the name.
I see him more dirty.
Yo, no, that. Oh yeah, I
Funny,
can't
you know.
demonetize that. No, demonetize that.
I see more dirty.
This should be used to from me, dog.
What the gift, what the gift,
Just
what the gift,
beep
what the
it.
gift. So guys, my son got me a gift.
You stop saying that. You stop saying that.
He got me a gift. So actually, prepare yourself. The van is loaded up. The road. The stuff in JA Mobile.
Skateboard too.
Yeah, man, have him skateboard. And him normally walk him skateboard, but him not use it. That's crazy.
Oh, that's true.
Like, so yeah, our country already, there's no way to use, but it's still aesthetic. Yeah.
Skate park inside. Portland.
Oh, you know, some never go there yet? You go there already?
Oh yeah.
I never go there yet, you know?
Oh yeah. If we could there, that'd be cool.
Is that ring stay like 10 minutes?
Let's go.
Ultra? Stuff in JA Mobile.
Sit here. The mobile.
Sorry,
Mobile. Alright, we have some camera stuff on the seat, so that's need for us to switch it up a bit. Hmm?
So how do I get
Yo, my son got me a gift. Hey guys, look. My son got me a gift. Where is it?
You know, since you always travel together, I got the matching glasses.
My son got me a
Oh,
gift.
that's nice.
Merry Christmas.
Oh. Yo.
He's very smart all the time, it's fine. Oh yeah, big up to Christopher for carrying it down. So, you know, fuck custom.
Facts.
Yo, but I can't flag with this now because I can't see the LCD screen.
It's polarized. Tilt your angle. Wait,
A
what's
little.
Tilt this. Better don't.
So we turn the screen, man, turn the screen. So we got the second
You know, sir, that this is a wide lens. So it's him in my face right now, you know.
Yeah,
the
look
man
how
in
wide
my
it be.
face right now. You know.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
22.8. So you don't know, so I'm sure. So, no corona. So
If you fit him now, glasses fit him.
The corona, so
Does
take off
fit
this.
him.
So look, you can see the closing, because I shoot 2.8 and then put the ND and the background blurred out. Mighty ugly, my youth.
No, watch it now.
Somebody what?
It's not covered.
Oh no man, nobody not thief the skateboard based on the look of it.
Yo.
I'm not actually.
Facts.
But I'm not lie, bro. Nobody not thief the skateboard.
No, wrong with that.
Nobody not thief the skateboard.
Dog, the man is a nice.
You hear?
Vlogmaster himself, boy Pedro.
Yeah, everybody said that of the Vlogmaster. Alright. Alright, nobody. Man, you say you like a Chinese sometimes, the hairstyle. You might like a Chinese
don't go
sometimes. Alright, so I'll go right now. Yeah, how you like the A7III now?
I do enjoy it most because the low lighting feature. I had
It's
an
nice.
A6300, and when you bring that into the night, you just get lines everywhere if you try to like properly expose that. No, A7III is much better than that.
Alright, brand new camera.
Brand new camera out there.
Full frame life, ain't it?
First full frame, you know?
Ah,
It's my
good.
first.
That's
This
good.
is-
That's
yeah.
good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Finally get it, you know? I
Alright.
know. Yeah, bro.
Expensive lens, the Pro Mist. Are the promise on this?
This is the Cinema ND filter made by Prism.
It's an expensive lens, you know? Everything about them are expensive. Apple everything.
Should I need adapter?
Adapter. Yeah. I mean, step up ring.
Expose in this lock form.
No, well, you have some called S-Gamma where you can. You have some on the Sony called
The
S-Gamma.
histogram thing.
No, S-Gamma where
S-gamma.
you
It
where you
shows on
can.
the camera.
Yeah, it can show you if. Oh, your camera there. It can show you if. It can show you
What's happening?
when you shoot flat.
What's happening?
It can show you when you shoot flat. It actually add the colors to it, but it shoot flat.
Oh.
Isn't
So
it?
you mean like it goes above the image and what?
No, it actually show color what is shooting flat.
Okay.
If you go for your camera, I can show
Okay.
you. Yo, so we're outside, stopping at Burger King for some breakfast, you know. I don't normally eat Burger King so early. I don't even too like Burger King, but yo, this is what them say them I get. And the location is Stony Hill. Wow.
Well, none such falls.
And none such falls. So just outside, just go and chill. I just is better. Tell us the colors on this is so nice, now, bro. Like you can see this, the sky is blue and everything. Yo,
Everything
so nice.
evenly exposed.
Evenly exposed. That's why I live.
ND
with this.
filters. It's an ND filter, guys. I don't own one though.
Look out, and it's still have on a stop on it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then we just turn it around. Let's get everything nice.
I can see even turning it dark right now. The
Nice.
lens itself.
Bro, get
So,
one, get one. Expensive meal, BK. Che.
Only the best for the best, you know?
No man, too early. Too early. Oh, what I take it?
Fish. Big fish.
Alright.
big old Burger King sign right there, man. Start the journey on from here.
So a while ago, Mark Jim said, we get, man said, fish, big fish.
Yo, Mark.
Yo, Mark. You know man say a while ago?
Man support.
Yo, Mark.
Dang, man is always on uptown.
Man say.
Mark.
Mark.
Yo, Mark.
Mark. Yo, what's up, my general?
Marcus.
My G.
Marcus.
What's up, my
You know same thing what here?
My general.
Go to gas station and see yo.
I did not talk like that, bro.
Man see yo. Him see the pump at the night. What's up, my G? I say, what the fuck?
Bro, I was dead, dog. I'm like, Jono.
Say, dog, you know talk to him and say, yo, mad dog. Say, I'm talking to the man them. You can't talk to the man them so need.
I feel like if I went to a man and say, yo, mad dog, I'm looking at me like, yo, what the fuck are you doing?
Possibly.
Boss said, yeah.
We'll try that to
From now on, if I talk to anyone, I'll be like, what's up, my
Come now, eat
general?
everything.
How are you doing today? My general?
Actually. A problem this. So I truck there, we pre-say it brought down, it's stuck in a gear, I come up. She said, don't know, so this is the only way for reach the destination. It start. Clear the road, clear the road. Alright, the truck can move. Man, no way you go. tired.
I
wish I was- I wish I
I
was
was like,
anything.
yo, Pedro. Like, man, that's
Like yeah, till when?
you
Really?
shit on, and I was like, I thought you were awake. So I was like, yo, Pedro. And no response. Pedro's just like head straight.
As you half asleep in our car.
Head straight.
Yeah, I'm tired, man. Yeah,
Why
I'm
you
tired.
sleep
Man.
at that?
That's a trick. Tired. Tired.
Ready for the hike, Pedro?
Yeah, man.
Someone needs to film
Hold
you.
on.
Remember?
Eh?
Put on also. Someone needs to film you, man. Ready for the hike, bro?
Yo, Ozzy, the glass is stuck in my ear again.
Pedro, just keep that. All right, don't ever take it off.
Jungle Jesus?
Uptown.
I'm not Jesus anymore, guys.
No, dog.
Judas.
Wait, what?
Judas now.
What you saying, Aaron?
Yeah, for the hike, I'm trying to avoid carrying this whole box right here, but I think I have to.
Your whole butt is like taking your hair out of it.
Nah, relocate this week still.
Okay.
I'm trying to decide what I want to carry.
That's the one of the hardest thing.
You have bags to carry, and somebody
Crazy amount of bags, bro.
Fuck that shit.
has to.
Mavic or FPV?
I'll say PV. He's
Yeah.
carrying his drone, I'm carrying my drone. Okay.
Oh, don't.
Yeah.
Is that what, 10 minutes?
It's all like go this and come back, man. Not
Sure
that.
that.
But you're not too far, man. You're not too far.
Wait, is serious? Is that quick thing?
No, you're not quick, man.
Like, what?
You're not quick, but you're worth it, man. You're worth it.
Worth it.
Me can't promise you that. Me tell that me only would make you feel good. Me can't promise you that.
Say the water is deep or anything like that?
I think someone supposed to, man. They can chuck off in here and something, but they can't chuck off from by top door.
Oh,
Okay.
So what you know, we can walk with our gear and stuff. With your
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
Okay.
But I want you want me call her and see if she soon come up back.
I mean, we're good stuff.
No, we're good, man. We're good, man. You can't do everything.
What do you talk
You can't get lost.
We can't get lost.
Mm-mm.
We're good, man. Thanks.
So she knows when I come.
No, you know.
Oh, because you know by right till a private property, but from once you know come to Guy Falls, we just have to talk with her, but she have one guest, come just carry one ginger for her.
Oh.
Yeah.
How would they know that?
No, you know, yeah.
He private. I pay for going.
Oh.
You see, I just say I go walk. You see, if I see none such falls,
Yeah.
right through this. So. But me not think nobody else up at house.
Actually, if you see her walking, how she look or what's your name?
She named Tommy.
Tommy?
Yeah, but me can't call her, but me don't know if me will get her, because me don't know if the signal pick up good down there.
This is the backpack you get with the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More combo. People think it's just, you know, a satchel type backpack, but it actually converts into a full-on backpack. See here? Open the zipper. Come around. Boom. Straps. What I do now? Just latch it on to the bottom here. Easy now, Pedro. Just latch it on to the clips, to the hooks.
And that's it.
Good to go. DJI has not paid me. They haven't given me any free products.
Actually, you paid them.
If you see, I paid them.
paid them to actually show
If you
them.
see this video, DJI, you know, send me some good stuff. You know, I've been a supporter since 2013.
Some can just wear it right here, so. Ain't good.
So you can put stuff in here, but put a waterproof casing in there just in case.
So what right here?
That's the SanDisk.
Okay, so again, as in the whole thing. Okay, ready this out.
Better quality phone.
Alright, picture.
That's
I always find a way to this, but alright, ready?
Success FPV, 4S FPV, a Cine Whoop, and we got the Mavic. Who has Mavic? Someone has the Mavic.
Oh, it's over there, so.
Oh, gave Christoph a Mavic 3.
Ozzy.
It's just me. With the snacks.
With the snacks. Want the snacks?
So, Ozzy, are you ready for this walk?
We ready?
You ready for this walk? I think you can manage. Make sure if you start crying and all the pain, it's all off. Or you say you can manage.
I have some tissues for the tears. We ready?
It's that stable?
Still on a motherfucker.
Let's go.
It's slippery when wet. Careful.
Sorry, mate. Say, come on, a gangster style. But yeah,
Like, I was cautious about it, you had to catch it. Let me make sure camera is a must.
Yeah, man, drop star. One man broke one of the handle them, and then the next man drop. Alright. Alright.
what's wrong with the right?
Went to the top of None Such Falls. That was a hike back up though. So it's nice going down and slippery going down and easy going down, but you have to remember what goes down must come up as well. And it's a hard way up. So
As you make it. Azzy.
Far road.
Azzy!
Azzy.
Made it.
Get ahead.
Bro, the bag, feel this. Bag's heavy dog. Our gimbal, bear gear in there.
So the lady's still here, right?
Hmm?
The lady's still here?
Yeah, she up by the house.
I'm not up there.
Made it.
Oh, wait, where they can?
You can hear.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Let's do the hike.
I'm a fit.
What's your
The
fit?
hike, good, man.
Didn't even sweat.
No sweat.
No sweat.
Bro, a mosquito? What? A mosquito?
Oh yeah.
You want to?
Yo, if you come up here, travel light. Do travel light and don't fall.
Facts.
How your foot feel?
So
Bro.
you
Like I need some ice.
Alert, right?
Huh? Everybody fell, man. Look at blood spewing from Isley foot and all that shit, bro.
I mean, it's not that bad.
He wants
For
to
me,
blood
like,
spewing.
you know, it's not an adventure until
Bleed.
something happens.
Exactly.
No, not necessarily bleed. But it's not an adventure without a problem. You hear that? You can't say being on an adventure if you don't have at least one problem.
Yo, don't drop it now. Yo,
Up and running, huh?
tired.
I can't, no, but I ain't not tired, dog. Oh shit, dog. You're not tired, dog. Yo, Azzy, you can show me for me?
Back to back work from last week.
Is in the front seat.
But today's not a work day, that's a adventure day.
It's in the middle.
Yo, I'm tired.
Pedalix.
It's Jungle Jesus.
Let me take a bite off it.
Take a bite.
Take a bite, man. Okay, you first. Last word, it.
Take a bite of that.
Exactly.
But you could have at least put it in a stew.
What, eat the mushroom?
Yeah, put it in a nice soup stew, you know.
Genuinely is white.
You might.
The man go up on the edge of the girl, he went on the edge. I mean, I
You were
followed him.
basically
I mean,
there
I
too,
followed
bro.
him, but still.
He's white
You went
too.
first.
This stereotype about white people.
Semi-white.
Things.
Yeah, I'm like a half white, yeah. What? Why so?
Semi-white?
You might well just say half nigger.
Your mother white.
Yeah, she broke.
Dog, the man look, yo, Yannick looks stressed out here. Yo, this Yannick looks stressed out. What have you put in the ice? What have you put in the ice?
I can't even hold my foot in the fucking ice because it's like cold.
Yeah, I figure it being ice and stuff.
I know what I mean, but like
Yeah.
it's fucking like aching it all my foot.
But watching it, like, you know, it's a pain, really does it pain there. So if you want help, I can just, you know.
No, don't do that, bro. Please don't. But scars.
Man, can't manage.
Is it better though?
Yeah, it's a lot better.
But definitely not eat that, you don't want to eat it again.
Hmm?
Don't eat it again.
What's your man food? You know,
Yeah,
that rough, bro.
And you know what
That's
messed up
why-
now is that last week I had to go get X-ray
For?
done because I hit the same toe and I thought it was broken. And I got and it only show X-ray only show that like a sliver of bone came off.
Mix again,
So,
same
so
much.
you come,
Hit
come
that
hiking.
again, mate.
Yo, you
And I was finally able to start bend it and all that stuff now.
Can't bend it now.
No, gone back to. You're back at stage 1.
They're the Airbnb. Wear your mask, please. Yeah, Airbnb. Oh, you know, man. You know, no, I never, not that free, you know, I never that free. It's almost up.
That doesn't count.
Almost up. It's almost up. Okay, you have Ozzy right here. You know, sort of camera brush you got dead. It's dying. Where's the bin? Hi. Good night. Where's the bin? I want to put this in the bin. The bin, teacher. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm still hungry.
Did you finish it?
No, I'm gonna finish food. Eat food then.
like, in the morning, must open up. You see me? Nice sunrise, wake me up. With the beach, the water. Yeah, man.
That's the life.
So you're sleeping
Come on to
here?
that one.
Yeah, man.
No, that's
Yo, I see soft now. Yes, what's up on adorable.
That's why I say I fucking rate as it is, isn't it?
I want a beat me for beat for them indecent language.
Morning, man.
Bro, pretty what?
Guten Morgen.
That's a move.
Oh shit.
That's crazy that he used to us to move with me.
That me I say. It just drop?
It just dropped?
I mean, it was a control job, but it
I know,
dropped.
but why you put it on?
I didn't put it on.
Bro, you had a drone.
Yeah, dog. Yo, the second time I catch an action shot like that today.
Right here.
Like, I mean,
Not that high.
Yeah, that was a high
I would even say 20 feet much
Like
less.
this size from the ground, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Bro, like, it was a control fault, so I don't understand. What happened? Like,
Drone
it
drop.
just went down, flat down.
Drone drop?
Yeah. Yo, no drop no more drone, you know. Good morning, lovely people. So, oh, you go up again? Dog, you left the suitcase up there.
What?
That drop again.
It said low battery, the full battery. Alright, come.
Yeah, nope.
Yo, catch it. It's fine.
So the issue is the battery.
The battery. Again?
I mean, it's a full battery.
But that makes it faulty.
But things that I haven't charged in like weeks now. So probably it says it's full, but it's not full.
Oh, so you never tried them last night?
No.
Oh, yeah, yes. Covered.
we got Ozzy right here. Oh crap, kinda too dark. Yeah.
Too dark?
No, but let's fix the exposure a while ago.
Hello, hello.
Hi, good morning. How are you? How was your sleep? Let me set the mic directly to you. Okay. How was your
That's
sleep?
great.
It was great.
Mosquitoes were killing me.
Them kill you? But you still
A
right
little
yourself?
bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, it was biting me. So we had to put down the freaking net, but it was great.
It was good.
It was great.
I'm never feeling a mosquito bite.
Really?
No.
Them love me.
How was your sleep, son? Boss man, give me a talk to you.
Dog,
How the sleep go?
bro, man, know that the weird, bro, 'cause I was in a hammock, you see me? You know? And then, like, I was curved like this.
Man sleep no hammock.
Man saying, man this saying, alright, why up for this already? Man this saying, bend like banana, long time bend like banana in a hammock.
I mean a serious thing, but because, like, the banana, no, the hammock is a banana.
Banana.
The banana? Bro, remember say YouTube is up on the wall where I see where it's not you where you saying no?
I love this like on without cheese, man.
Cinematic shit, bro.
Here's some racists.
Don't worry.
Yeah, all three of them up there, no?
All three. Let them loose, release the
so on to the fourth one, isn't it?
No dog, you're drone deficit.
On to the fourth one, bro. That not check out.
Finally, you take out the camera. Finally.
I did.